Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your code limit has been reached. You have already redeemed the maximum number of these codes per Apple ID on Apple Music. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you try to redeem code on Apple Music and showing the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to double check the code, okay guys, and then enter it again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then make sure that you are not the subscriber, okay guys. If you have already subscribed Apple Music, then some codes are not applicable for your account, okay guys. If the code is applicable for you and still you're facing the error like this, and what you need to do guys, just simply you have to wait some time, okay guys, and after that try to re-enter it again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply have to search for Apple Sport. So let me search it first. Simply have to search for Apple Sport, wait some seconds. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on Apple Sport again, scroll it down, tap on your device. So from here you have to scroll it down and just simply have to tap on Sport section. So from here you have to tap on start. Now wait some second. Let me tell you that you have to contact with the Apple Sport team. Okay guys, from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on more, or you can scroll it down. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to locate for music. Now wait some second and just simply have to tap on continue. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down and you can easily see call us option. Maybe you can see chat section here. So guys, if chat section is showing for you, just simply have to tap on chat and chat with the Apple Sport team and tell them that you're facing the error like this. Okay guys, you can also call them and hopefully they will resolve your issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.